I'm on snow. This is snow. I'm not even wearing gloves yet. Let's touch snow. Oh, ooh, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold. Oh, that's cold. Also so brave for saying the cold never bothered her. Bro, it's bothering me so much. Like there are chunks of snow. Like, oh, my cheeks are so red. It hurts. I think my toes are stuck together. Like, I think they're frozen down there. It hurts. I think. I don't know. It's known right now. We weren't ready for this because my shoes are wet. The coat's wet. My bag's wet. Everything's just wet. You know. No. Happy New Year. The new Taduki is here. The place is Dookie Ball. No? It snowed last night, like heavy snow, and it's still snowing right now. Today is ski day, and we're gonna get our rentals at this rental shop nearby. You could literally just ski to the ski place, whatever it's called, to the slope. Slope?
If it's not showing your nose, like have it.
I look like I'm from Ready Player in the virtual world. here at the hotel breakfast. We have salad, we have sausage and eggs, we have cereal, we have bread, and we have toast, we have apple, we have an apple. Lamig. Oh, we're up here. We're up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just want. Okay, let's go. Guys, skiing's not a joke. I feel like I'm gonna die. No, I'm just being overreacting. Anyways, just needs practice. This is our first run. And we're on a very I can't move because if I move I'm gonna go down. Oh my days. There. Right? I'm trying my best to learn how to ski because I want this as a hobby. This needs lots of leg control. Can't even press my phone. We stopped by here at this restaurant up the slopes. Munch. This is a margarita pizza. My mango juice. This one's hamburger steak curry. Yeah. Coffee. Solo run! Not really solo, but I'm on the ski lift alone. I can do it. I can control the ski. I think I'm ready. Second run. Let's see. Let's go. Maybe we'll get married one day. And who knows? Nagano, and we already checked out. We're just waiting for a plan to get out of here. Yo, what's up? I think it's -4 right now, and my cheeks are so red. My nose is red, and we're waiting for the bus on the way back to the central station, right? And it's day 3 here at Nagano. I posted a story like I think a few days ago about how I left my heart in Kyoto. No, bruh, I left it here. I can't believe I got to ski during my first try. Like, even during the first run, like the second half of the slope, I was able to do it. People were right about how skiing is easier to learn but harder to master. Because when you start skiing, I think it's okay, but you're stuck on this plateau where you just know how to ski, but you can't really do tricks or whatnot. When I go back, I'm going back strong. I'm gonna do ski workouts. My quads hurt, my shins hurt, my feet hurt. They are hurting in Japan. That's nice.
This bus is bound for